If you've ever eaten a piece of fruit, a slice of bread, or even a salad, you've basically been powered by sunlight. Sounds weird, right? But that's exactly what photosynthesis does. It turns sunlight into food. Photosynthesis is the process plants use to make their own energy-rich sugar. And it's not just about plants surviving. It's the reason most life on Earth can survive. Here's the simple formula. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and energy from the sun. Using those three things, they produce glucose, which is a kind of sugar they use as food, and oxygen, which they release into the air. Let's break it down. First, sunlight. Plants capture light using a green pigment called chlorophyll, mostly found in their leaves. Chlorophyll is like a solar panel, grabbing energy from the sun. Second, water. Plants absorb water through their roots, and it moves up through tiny tubes to the leaves. Third, carbon dioxide. Plants pull it in through tiny openings in the leaves called stomata. These openings can open and close, kind of like little breathing pores. Now the magic. Inside the leaf in tiny structures called chloroplasts, the plant uses sunlight to split water molecules. This step helps create the energy needed to build glucose. Then, carbon dioxide gets combined with that energy to form sugar. That sugar becomes fuel for the plant to grow stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits. And when animals and humans eat plants, we get that stored energy too. But there's one more huge result: oxygen. Photosynthesis releases oxygen as a leftover product, and that oxygen fills the air so we can breathe. So every time you inhale, remember, plants are basically running a planet-sized oxygen factory, powered by sunlight. Quick challenge. Look at a leaf today and imagine it as a tiny kitchen. Sunlight is the stove, water and carbon dioxide are the ingredients, and sugar is the meal. And oxygen? That's the bonus gift to the world.